Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be connecting a PC keyboard and mouse to the PS5 and see what happens. Let's go. So as you can see here, I have the keyboard and mouse ready to go. I have the cords here and I'm going to try connecting it via a USB hub. And if that doesn't work, I'll just connect them directly to the two USB points in the back. But this will be better. Alright, just going to power on the device. As you can see, it is connected up to my PC monitor. Powering on now. Alright, now that we're in the menu, I'm going to connect up the keyboard. I'm going to first try to connect it via this USB hub. And I'm going to put in the front USB port to start with, just so you guys can see. Alright, I don't know if you can see on camera, but the keys have lit up. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Check this out. The arrow keys work for scrolling through the menus. Oh, that's cool. Enter works. I just entered Fortnite as if I was on the PC by tapping the enter button. I'm gonna connect up the mouse. I wonder if we can play this whole game just like a PC. Something registered on the screen. Yeah, keyboard and mouse registered. This might actually work. Enter. I don't believe this hit is working. Alright, now that we're in the game, let's see what happens. No way! I don't know if you can see on the camera, but I literally got a mouse cursor, just like as if I was on the PC. So we'll just close that pop-up. Play my Battle Stars, of course. And let's change this to duos. Zero builds. No way, I can't believe this is actually working. Throw the old PC in the bin, just get yourself a PS5. You still get your keyboard and mouse. Play this at 4K. Can go up to 120 FPS. Not to mention you get all the first party exclusives. This is so cool. I'm going to wait to load into the game and I'll show you guys some more content. Oh. No way! Fuck yeah, this is so cool. This is literally all the PC commands. Space, mouse, turn, what is it? Numbers to scroll through your weapons. I wonder if the mouse scroll wheel works. Okay. Yes! The scroll wheel works on the mouse. This is so cool! So, the mouse just disconnected. What happened? Oh, we're back. So I don't know if you guys saw, the mouse just disconnected and reconnected. That could possibly be due to the USB hub. So if I keep getting this error, I just plug it directly into the... Keep getting it. I'm going to plug this directly into the back of the PS5. Yeah, it's plugged in. Let's see if that solves that problem. Oh yeah. Oh, it's like really dark here. Let's go over to this area with some lights. No way, I still can't believe this works. Sony really thought of everything this time around. Yeah! Not only does it work, it comes up with all your keyboard commands like F for your sword and E to jump onto the zip line. So the game registered and it knows that. So yeah, let's throw a shockwave grenade. Boom! Yeah. Oh. Free potions, anyone? You guys have it. Connecting a PC keyboard and mouse to your PS5 literally lets you play your games as if you're on a PC. So if this is something you prefer or you're into, give it a shot. Tell me if it works for you guys, and let me know in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.